So my audition was a dance audition because he was like, Dekh Tulu, at least you can dance or not. In my head, I was a really good dancer, okay? I hope that this gets received the way we intend it to. Tried delivering it in the truest, purest way possible. He never wanted me to be an actor, and I became an actor. So when he calls me and said, ki, achhi thi, congratulations. I'm so happy. I mean, when you get so much love, that's what an actor wants, right? We want so much love. We want all the love. So when somebody appreciates your work, and like this team especially, all of us have come together trying to make something that was very special to us, a very special, important project, and tried delivering it in the truest, purest way possible. It's just, you know, when you make and do something with so much love, and you have so much attachment, you would want, you have some expectation, right? You feel that, I hope that this gets received the way we intend it to. And thankfully it did, and it just feels amazing. It feels accepted, it feels loved, it gives you also a lot of validation, and yeah, it gives you better work. So first of all, I am really, really grateful to, so I was just doing Jayesh Bhai, I finished Jayesh Bhai, and Adi sir told me that he wants to he wants me to do this film, and he sat me down, we were chatting, and he said, can you dance? I said, I don't know, I think I'm a very good dancer. In my head, I was a really good dancer, okay? And then he said that... Until you met Pepe. And no, I mean, until I started practicing, it was really tough. I mean, my body is not, like, I don't do a lot of I've not learned Indian classical, right? So we had to like rehearse for 2 months straight for it. And I did an audition for that. So my audition was a dance audition because he was like, Dekh Tulu, at least you can dance or not. And then, you know, just to, you know, what I love, my prep got so much easier, I tell you how. Because I was just, the people that I was working with, the technicians I was working with, my director, my writer, my co-actors, they were just, we were all just in there, you know, to help each other out. And I feel like how Jaideep sir also said that Max ne achhe kapde pehna diye. So when you wear these clothes, when you sit with your director and discuss these, you know, scenes, and he convinces you and tells you why Kishori is what she is, because of course, you know, I'm not Kishori, I'm not like Kishori, and I would have questions, and I would like, why? And he would sit me down, and with the simplicity and the conviction that he had, you know, it just makes it easy for an actor, I feel. So I don't think, I might have done like the preps by reading my lines, learning my dialogues, but whatever was done there, by my co-actors, by my director, by my writer, by my DOP, everything, it all came together. So that was all a part of my prep. I have realized that at this point, the only, you know, praise that really gets me is my dad's call, because he never wanted me to be an actor. And I became an actor. So when he calls me and said, ki, achhi thi, congratulations. Literally this with a flat face, I'm like, okay, oh no, not bad, then it's good. We were doing our work. I was doing Jayesh Bhai, and I did, around the lockdown, we shot this. So I was very happy shooting because people didn't have work after the lockdown, during, we were really scared, and there were uncertain times, but हम काम कर रहे थे, तो मेरे लिए वही बड़ी खुशी की बात है. And उसके बाद भी I have finished 2 projects, so I was working. So again, like, you know, as I think as actors, we love being on set. हमें काम करना पसंद होता है, that's why we do what we do, and we get money for that. So I mean, nothing could be better than that. So I mean, I was happy that I was working. Of course, I feel this was not in my control. I think I can only worry about things that are in my control. This is not in my control. Of course, it upsets you sometimes, but then you move on. I mean, I can't do anything about it, so I don't worry about it a lot. But yes, I'm happy that it is out, and I'm happy that it's getting the love that we thought and we wanted it to. And yeah, so thank you so much.